engines hum, the match loads in, the box line up and glow. Ping goes off, the loop bell rings, hold steady, take it slow. You've got a range for days.